So today we are going to learn about prokaryotic cell. Did you know that a glass of water contains 10 million bacteria? Isn't it surprising? So let us have a look on the structure of bacteria. So let us start with the cell envelope. The cell envelope comprises of cell membrane, cell wall, and capsule. So these three layers togetherly comprise the cell envelope. So cell membrane is the innermost layer, cell wall is the middle layer, whereas capsule is the outermost layer. Capsule is a type of glycocalyx. Glycocalyx has two types, slime layer and capsule. So let us see this with the help of a diagram. A slime layer is a thin and loose covering. Something like this. If the cell has a thin and loose covering, so this will be called as a slime layer. Whereas if it has a tough and thick covering, something like this, then it would be called a capsule. So glycocalyx is the outermost layer which provides protection. It provides protection against the phagocytes which may kill and harm the bacteria and toxins and also the viruses. These are certain things which may harm or kill the bacteria. So the glycocalyx provides protection against these things. It also helps the bacteria to stick to a surface. So this was all about glycocalyx. Now let's move to the next layer, that is the cell layer. Cell wall is a rigid layer which again provides protection to the to the bacteria. So as we've seen, glycocalyx provides protection against phagocytes, toxins, and viruses. So cell wall, it provides protection against hydrochloric solution. So what happens in a hydrochloric solution is outside the cell there is a high water, whereas inside the cell we have lower concentration of water. So, due to osmosis, the water from outside the cell moves towards the cell and enters the cell. So, if this process continues, so water will enter the cell and a stage will come when the cell will burst. So, to avoid this bursting of the bacteria, we have this layer called cell wall, which provides protection against hydrochloric solution. So, moving on to the next membrane, that is the cell membrane. This is the innermost layer in a bacterial cell. So the cell membrane is also called a selectively permeable membrane. This means it allows some selective materials to enter the cell. It can be, its function can be compared with that of a watchman. Like a watchman does not allow each and every person to enter that place, but only some selective people are allowed to enter the particular area. In the same way, the cell membrane does not allow each and every material to enter the cell as they harm the cell. So it stops